In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a double cannon here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash of Clans videos just like this. But if you want to upgrade your cannon into a double cannon in your home village, here's exactly how you can go ahead and do it. Firstly, you are going to need to make sure that you've unlocked the builder base and that your builder hall is at least level 4. That's obviously going to be in your builder base over here. So make sure to come over here and do that. But now head over to your main village. And once you get to the main village, simply upgrade a standard cannon to at least level 7 or higher. So I'm going to do that right now. And then after doing so, you're going to need the master builder to be available. He does transfer from the builder base to your main village to actually do the little gear up. And then you're also going to need to have at least one double cannon in your builder base as well. That is at least level 4 or higher. I know there's a lot of requirements for this, it's crazy. But once doing all of that, you'll actually get the option in your main base to transform that cannon into a double cannon. It's pretty powerful, and it's always good to have that in the main base. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and comment down below if you have any questions and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.